Hello and welcome to this new tutorial about drawing a polygon. So I'm gonna write a function that's able to draw any polygons from a triangle up to a circle. And let's see how we do it. Okay, for this one I need a module that's available in the Python library, and I import this module in order to be able to use it. That's called Turtle. Turtle is used for drawing things. So these two modules, I import them in order to be able to use them in my programming. So I define a method called draw polygon, and for this I need a position, and the position is in x and y. So this area that is that where the polygons gonna be drawn. So this is in the middle of it is 0, 0. X is 0, y is 0, and here y increases, down there y decreases, and x increases to the right, and it decreases to the left. So in the middle it is 0, 0, the coordinates. So we have here an x coordinate and y, and then we have the length of the side of the polygon, length, and then we need number of sides. So I write sides, and one thing else that it's good to have the thickness of the side of the polygon. So you write thickness. So in this case, I want to have it like false. It means that it's not necessary every time to write the thickness. If I do not write the thickness, it will get the standard one, the first one. So if I write the thickness when I run the polygon, so that's okay. If I do not write, it doesn't matter. It doesn't give any error. Okay, now I need the angle. In order to be able to turn left or right, in order to be able to draw the polygon. So for this one, I need the sum of the angles in a polygon. So the number of sides minus 2 times 180. This is the sum of all angles in a polygon. I want to find one angle. So in order to find each angle in a polygon, so we divide this formula that we found from the beginning, that you can Google up, you can find it, and divide by the number of sides. For example, if the number of sides is 3, for example, so 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 times 180 is 180. So 180 divided by 3 is 60. So in this case, we know that in a regular triangle, the sum each angle is 60 when the sides are equal. I need the angle that's outside. So in that case, we have to get this value, copy this value, and subtract this value from 180 in order to get the outside angle of the. So I have to change this in to sides. Sides minus 2 times 180 divided by sides, and then it should be it should be minus 180. Now, when we have imported the turtle module, we can use any function in the turtle module without calling any constructor. What I do, I use the function called pin size, and I have a thickness here, so the pin size of the pin should be like this. And then now I want to choose the position, in which position I want to draw this polygon. So every time we want to move the turtle from one place to the other place, it draws a line wherever it moves. So in order to not to draw a line, we have to pull up the pin. So it's called up or pin up. It's the same, pin up, and then we move, go to. Now we choose, we go to this position, go to x and y. Move to this position. When we have moved to this position, now we turn the pin down in order to be able to draw. Now I need a for loop in order to be able to draw the polygon. So for I in range, here I want to have the number of sides. Okay, so I forward, there's a function in Turtle, it's called forward or FD, and here we go forward by the length. And then go forward by the length, and then turn, either right turn or left turn, doesn't matter, right turn, right turn, and this, and we have the angle. Which angle should we turn? Okay, now this is done. So what I need, I want to change every time I want to have different colors. In order to have different colors, so what we do, we have to change the if I do not have a color, so it will draw the same color on the polygon. So now I want to have different colors. I choose different colors. So write color. This is a function in Turtle that's called color, and in the color it gets it either we choose, you write the color, for example, write red or something, or we use the RGB method. So in RGB it takes every color has a code from 0 to 225. So we choose a random color every time. So for the red is you write rand int 255. So this is for the red, green, blue. The first one, it's red. You copy this. So now it randomizes, it chooses randomly different colors. This is for green. This is a random number between 0 and 255, and this is for blue. So let's see, red, green, blue, and blue. This is the color. So now let's draw it. Let's see if it's working. So you write draw polygon. Draw polygon, and we do not change. We write in the middle. Draw it in the middle, and the length should be 40, and number of sides we begin from 3 from triangle, and the thickness should be 5. Let's see what happens. Run it. Okay, bad input on line 10. Okay, we forgot the colon here. Okay, my bad. Rand int takes 2 arguments. It's 0 to 25. Okay, we test it. Good. So this is the triangle that it has drawn, and test it again with something else, with a square. This is a square. Test it for a thickness, change the thickness to 6, and a number of it's 8. Good. So this is working, and this is drawing a polygons. Let's change the number to, for example, 15. The more sides we have, the nearer it comes to a circle. Now it gets it gets near to becoming a circle. So let's have 20, 30 sides, and we have to minimize the length by, for example, 10, in order to be able to see the circle. Good. So this is a circle, and it depends on us what we are drawing. So 6 sides, and change the number, the length of the side to 50. Let's draw it and see how it looks like. Good, very good, different colors. Now if I want to just play with it and use it in order to draw different cool patterns, so we can use it in a for loop. So we have for in range, we go from 3 to for example 20. Okay, what we do here is that we can draw a polygon, for example, like this, and the position is the same position. We have not changed the position. What we do is that change it to 3 is a triangle, and 20 is just near to the circle. We write it 15, and the length should be let's see 30, and the number of sides is n. So we change the number of sides to n. It will draw all the, and the thickness we have to minimize the thickness to 3. Now we draw all the polygons from a triangle up to, change the length to 50, for example, from triangle up to polygons with 15 sides. So in this case, we can just use it in any way, change it in any way, and just play with it. We can make very interesting and good features and patterns. Okay. Now what we do here is that I can just do something. I can just change the angle a little bit. Turn, right turn 45, for example. I'm just just playing with it. Right turn 45, so it's an angle of 45, or just less than that, 20. Let's see how it draws these. Now it's turning 20 degrees every time it draws. So now that the number of sides increase, the image or the polygon becomes bigger and bigger because it draws all the number of sides. In that case, it takes more area. Okay, these were all the polygons from triangle up to 15 sides. Now what I do, I change the same polygon. For example, I begin with triangles and do the same thing. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Run it again. It draws triangles, but every time it rotates the angle that I've given. In this case, I need to increase the number of iterations. So it was 15. I have to increase it to 20 or something in order to be able to draw it. Okay, one thing else that I need to increase the speed to maximum in order to be able to save time. So let's see. So it's drawing a good pattern. Now we change the triangle to a square and test it again. Good. This and change the square to a 5 sides polygon, pentagon. So just you can play with it. It's let's see, 10 sides. It gives very good patterns. Okay, if I change, for example, the angle to 45 degrees, so it'll minimize the number of polygons. So another pattern. Change the to 4, for example, square. Okay, so yeah, that's it. You can play with it how you wish, and just change the rotate it as many times as you want. For example, if I rotate it by 90 degrees, and now it I get, for example, pentagon, and now it, for example, 10 times, it draws pentagons, and it rotates 90 degrees every time. So many cool features and patterns can be drawn by this polygon. So hope you like it, and wish you happy coding. Bye bye.